This is a special report from About Space Today.
From Florida's Kennedy Space Center is Dawn Meyer.
When the SpaceX Crew-1 capsule Resilience lifted off with astronauts Shannon Walker, Soichi Noguchi, Victor Glover, and Mike Hopkins, there was really a fifth member aboard. Yes, shortly after blastoff, when the vehicle reached orbit, in the background a familiar figure could be seen floating about the capsule. Baby Yoda. Yes, Baby Yoda was the Crew-1's zero-gravity indicator. Once he began floating freely about the cabin, the crew knew that they had reached zero gravity. The stuffed animal zero-gravity indicator is a tradition in spaceflight ever since Yuri Gagarin launched his Vostok spacecraft in 1961. Commander Mike Hopkins explains why Baby Yoda was chosen for this mission.
Well, yeah. So each crew, the zero-G indicator has a long tradition. Crews have been able to pick those out, and so each crew has that opportunity. And so that was one we talked about. We had just started watching the series, and it's hard not to like Baby Yoda. And, it kind of ties in, I think, with the name of our spacecraft as well. We talk about resilience, and, it's been a tough year, and, the fact that they were able to, SpaceX and NASA were able to get our spacecraft ready to go, the rocket ready to go throughout this year, throughout the pandemic and all of that. We were inspired by everybody's effort to do that, and so that's why we named Resilience, and we hope that it puts a smile on people's face. It brings hope to them, and so Baby Yoda does the same thing. I think everybody, when you see him, it's hard not to smile, and so it just seemed appropriate. It seemed appropriate for our crew as well. We like to have a lot of fun, and we have been having a lot of fun, and so again, it was very appropriate. I think the ride into space was probably a little rougher than Baby Yoda was used to compared to what he rides normally.
Carrying on in a fine spaceflight tradition, Baby Yoda is now a valuable member of the Crew-1 crew. From the Kennedy Space Center on Florida's Space Coast, I'm Dawn Meyer for About Space Today.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.